3 months she practiced. Tomorrow night, she will not remember a word. Wrong lines. She will panic, and I will take her place. Three months. Every line. Every movement. Tonight is our night. I will not fail you.
Emma has not missed one line in 3 months. Not one. Tonight will be perfect.
I know that my destiny awaits beyond these very walls. Enjoy your rehearsal, Emma. Tonight will be very different. Jake, tonight I am not nervous.
Strange? It means you are ready. 3 months of work.
This is not right. This is not my script. This is wrong. All of it. Someone switched my script. Someone switched it. Jake, my script is wrong. Someone switched it.
These are not your lines, Emma. Someone did this.
Emma.
Stop. Someone switched it. They were here. And the backstage camera saw everything.
Backstage camera. Everything recorded. I will find who did this.
Mr. Harris, my script is wrong. Someone changed it.
Emma never misses lines. Someone did this.
I know.
Last night, 10:45 p.m. The backstage was empty. Or should have been.
10:45 p.m.
She switched the script. I have everything. I have it. All of it.
All of it.
On my phone. Sophia. Last night.
Everything.
Sophia switched it.
On camera. Last night. I can see it all. Principal Wang. Backstage. Now please. We have camera evidence. It is serious.
The script is wrong, but the lines are in me. 3 months. They are in me.
I watched the footage. Sophia switched the script at 10:47 p.m. last night. Sophia, I need to show you something. Please come with me.
I can explain.
You do not need to explain. The camera already did.
I saw her leave with a script folder last night. I did not know she switched it. I am sorry.
Principal has the footage. Sophia is finished.
But Emma...
Can you perform?
3 months. Every line, it is inside me. I do not need the script.
If anyone can do this, it is Emma.
3 months of rehearsal. She knows every word.
Comment below. Do you think I can do this? Without the script? 3 months.
Every line. I heard them all. You know them. I believe in you. Go. The stage is yours.
I will not give up. Not today. Not ever. Not ever. I will not falter, for the truth is my shield. And though the stars fall, I stand alone. For this is not the end, but my beginning.
Every single line.
I will not falter, I will not break, for I know the truth that lies within.
I knew she knew every word.
This is who I am! The truth always comes out. It always does. Always. She earned this, and she will never give it up.
Before you leave tonight, there is something the whole school must know. Emma performed the entire show from memory because someone switched her script.
Suspended. Removed from all school activities. Referred to the school board.
Emma performed every line from memory. That is the most extraordinary thing I have seen.
You performed the whole show from memory. Unbelievable.
I could, because you believed first. That is why.
She switched the script, not the 3 months inside you. Nobody can ever switch what lives inside you.
This was never my story to tell. Script means the written words an actor performs. Rehearse means practicing a performance many times.
Sabotage means secretly destroying someone's chance of success. Evidence means proof. The camera footage was the evidence.
Determined means you will not stop, whatever happens. Triumph means winning after something very difficult.
Loyal means always standing by your friend.
Trust means believing fully. Jake trusted me. That helped.
I believe in you. These 4 words change everything. The truth always comes out, because it does. Always.
This is not fair. I need help. Speak up. I have evidence. Evidence brings justice.
Was Sophia's punishment fair? Comment below and tell us.
What would you do in Emma's position? Tell us your answer.
Like this video. Subscribe for more Talk English. Share with someone learning English today.
Heartbroken means very sad. I was heartbroken. Furious means extremely angry. Jake was furious.
Perform means to act or sing in front of people. Stage is where performers stand and act.
Banned means not allowed. Sophia was banned. Justice means fairness, the right thing happening.
I will never give up, and neither should you.
Subscribe for more Talk English every week.